In this video, we'll show you how to set up a sales price for a customer. The price agreements that apply when selling to different customers must be defined so that the agreed rules and values are applied to the sales documents that you create for those customers. To set up a sales price for a customer, choose the search icon, enter customers, and then choose the related link. Open the customer card and then choose the Prices action under the Navigate tab in the ribbon. There are options for you to filter the results you see, two of which have already been applied, the Sales Type filter and the Sales Code filter. You can easily manipulate this filter to view the information you need using the drop-down arrow or the Assist Edit button. The Sales Type field is prefilled with Customer, and the Sales Code field is prefilled with the customer number. Fill in the fields on the line as necessary. In this example, we will use item 1000, the bicycle, and we will make it so that a customer must order 50 before they receive the price of 3,500 instead of 4,000. Enter a starting and ending date for this specific sales price to begin and end. Fill a line for each combination that will grant a special sales price to the customer, and you're done. There's no need to save this document. Clicking out of the window will automatically update the card.